State Laingakna Chalaiba Dhanamanjuri University gi hanba Convocation pangthokre University ase awang bathaki mahai masingi lamda kumang chausin bangamle hena kumang chausin aba Manipur Laingakna angam bathakta hotnari haina University ase gi Chancellor gi Thaupuriba Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na fongdorakle DMU na sinduna DM Science ki ground pangthokki bathoramada kumja English singani kundage kunmari gi session fawada University asida undergraduate amadi postgraduate loikiba mahiroi sing the saktak JP duna pukning thawatke thoramadu Governor Bhalla na makhatar Manipur Laingakna Chalaiba University asigi hanba Convocation pangthokpa asimag chauthok chaningai ne loina na numit asimak puwari da mayek lana laihoragani haike kumja English singani gatarani panda linkhat kiba University asigi tongan department kuntaret lom hangdoktuna mahairoi lising tarani thoi hena laiba ngamle haiba wafam governor na thamladuna haukiba chahi khara asida University asigi infrastructure dagi hauraga academic activity kayada kumang chausilakpa asina University asi achumba mayon amada lakpa ngamlakle University asidagi degree fanglaba mahairoi singna tungi lambida khunai asigi amade laibak asigi singthaningai oiba thodang lauduna University asigi mai purakpa ngamnaba hotnasi haina paujen ke thoramaduda Ministry of Education Manipur Laingaki makok thongba official University asigi VCW Chan Babu yauna oja amadi mahairoi singna sarukya ke
And nearly 12,000 students are part of the university, which is a good number. And this is expected to grow steadily with the introduction of new academic programs, enhancement of intake capacity, and expansion of infrastructure facilities, as outlined by the Vice Chancellor. Dear graduating students, as you enter the next phase of your life, I urge you to serve society and the nation with integrity, dedication, and a strong sense of responsibility.
Thoramadu Sarukya Akiba Ministry of Education ge Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi na telba matamasida DM University na awang bathaki mahai masingi lamda masak thokna kumang chausilakpa asimak singthaningai ne mahairoi singi punsi lambida degree fangbakhakna loibanate hena hotnaduna khunai amadi tunglam chatkidamak karigumba khara hotnaramba changi haiki innovation gi lamda Manipur asi mangjil thaba state ama oibana akoibagi saktam kanjana ba amadi senmitlon fana bahotnabada mahairoi sing asina achoba thodang lohhaningi haina fongdokhe Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal nasu awang bathaki mahai masing tamlaga khunai gi amade laibaki damak thodang laudrabade mioy adugi punsi adu mai pakle haina loba yade mahairoi singna mai pakliba asimag khunai asigi damak ni haiba wakhalon chenminasi haurakfam kaugumsi haike.
In a remarkably short span of time, the university has made commendable progress in academic planning, institutional governance, curricular reforms, and research initiatives, while remaining deeply rooted in the cultural and social ethos of Manipur.
What began nearly a century ago as a commitment to knowledge has grown into a vibrant institution that now stands proudly as a state university, nurturing more than 16,000 young minds across science, art, commerce, law, and women's education. Today's convocation marks the success of this long journey.